best PC cases in 2021. Seriously? You've never spent your expenses on a PC case? Well, some people might consider it an extra ornament, but actually it's quite the essential. That's why we have brought some extra care tips at the end of the video, especially for you guys to protect your PCs and to make the best possible choice. Keep watching the video and grab the best PC case of 2021 for smooth working hours. Choice of the best case not only gives our PC the feeling of home, but also it protects our PC from harm. Now, the best PC cases come in various shapes and sizes. One should investigate various components before selecting a suitable case for its PC. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before starting our today's video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for amazing updates. Cooler Master Silencio S600. The best quality of this case is that it produces no sound at all. That is why it is named a silencer. If the gamer requires total concentration, then they should definitely go for this case, as heating up will cause the fans to blow at full speed, and this will turn a silent PC into a roaring monster that will become very annoying. And at this time, one feels the need to have a silent case that can handle all these things very efficiently. It has been seen that no other case but the Cooler Master Silencio did this job very efficiently. It has a mid-tower and looks very simple from the outside, but the interior is very beautifully and intelligently designed by the engineers. The engineers use high-quality sound dampening material that will perform the job efficiently. In other cases, where the sound quality is maintained, they can't perform the cooling job efficiently, but it handles this very smartly and allows decent airflow. The top cover can be removed for efficient ventilation. It has a steel front door that can open in two directions. It has an SD card, a headset jack with both quality and microphone quality, a USB port, and power and reset switches present in the front panels. Two fans of 120mm are installed with rubber padding that reduces the noise. Additional fans can also be installed. It comes in black color mostly, and it is medium-sized. Dust filters are present in the top and bottom and front and give good protection against dust. Phanteks Evolv Shift 2. Need a stylish PC case? You've landed at the right place. This case is made critically, but the results made the effort worthy. It is beautifully made with thick glass and aluminium paneling. The first thing that anyone will notice is that it is tall and doesn't occupy as much space on your desk. The case's outside is beautifully made with anthracite grey aluminium at the front and back, and the sides of the case are made with tempered glass panels. Users can access the rear I/O by opening the panel. It can be easily accessible as it is present at the top. There are some tiny bundles of wires at the back that can be managed easily. 3 buttons are present on top as well, such as control power, RGB color, and mode. It has 2 USB ports at the bottom of the case. It doesn't have mic or headphone jacks at the bottom, but this is not a big problem as it is easily accessible at the top. For the system cooling, it has a single 140mm fan with RGB. For cooling CPU, it has a 120mm fan that will fit at the bottom of the case. The top and bottom of the case can easily be filtered by removing the glass panel. It is a good choice of case. Lian Li's Lancool 2 Mesh. The performance of this case is extremely good, and it is quite simple to use. It has a front mesh panel that can be removed very easily. The front has no such fancy feature, but the user can install a fancy feature like RGB fans, and they can be seen through the mesh. The sides of the structure have tempered glass panels, and it has covers over its cables, so the internal work can be covered. The glass panels can be lifted, and internal maintenance can be done easily. It has 2 USB ports, a microphone and headphones jack, a fan speed controller, power and reset buttons on its front. For cooling the system, it has fans of 120mm and 140mm at the front. It has no filter for airflow and it will face the dust issue. But this is not a big compromise in front of its performance benefits, and panels open quite easily for cleaning, and that can be done very easily. A cooling system is best for this case for the CPU and other components, so it will prevent the user from facing any kind of heating issue. Fractal Design Define 7. Here's the top PC case ever. You can never have such a beautiful, stylish and durable case elsewhere. This case comes in different colors like black, white and grey, and it can be with a tempered glass panel. It weighs 35 pounds. Its front has 5 USB ports, 2 of which are USB 3 and 2 are USB 2. One is USB 3.1. A C-type port is present between the power and reset buttons. It also has headphones and microphone jack. Its 2 different internal layouts allow the structure to install 14 hard drives in only one place. An additional hard drive array can be installed in it. It has a large door made of plastic with a reversible swing that is combined with a thick layer of sound dampening material. Its top panel provides good ventilation and prevents heating. Below the top panel, you will see fan filters which will filter the dust, dirt or debris. This filter is removable from the front. This case has an excellent fan filtration system in which the filters can be removed and allows the user to clean the unwanted dust particles that can cause harm or inefficiency to our system. Its overall look makes it more demanding, and the one case with a white appearance is very attractive, and users love to buy it. What should you consider before buying a PC case? Firstly, you should make sure that the airflow should remain normal, so that our hardware doesn't get too hot and misbehave. Secondly, noise levels should be maintained so that it does not bother the user and keeps the performance of the PC smooth. There are also many other things like the fan position, its overall shape and design. This should be according to the PC requirements. Besides all these requirements, one should prefer the visually appealing one and give the user a more pleasing experience, like some simple black box with a design on it that gives an aesthetic look to the viewer. There is a whole load of options for PC cases out there. You just need to spend some time choosing the one with all the best possible features. Some of the best PC cases are discussed in the video.